Recommended lighting levels for food production areas are important for safety and efficiency. Let's look at some key considerations. Firstly, consider illuminance measured in foot candles. For critical visual tasks, a range of 100 to 150 foot candles is generally recommended. For inspection and quality control, aim for 50 to 100 foot candles. General work areas typically require 30 to 50 foot candles. Secondly, the color rendering index, or CRI, is crucial. A CRI greater than 80 is recommended for accurate color perception. This is important for tasks where color identification is essential. Thirdly, uniformity is vital. Ensure an even distribution of light throughout the area to avoid dark spots and excessive contrast. Fourthly, glare control is necessary. Use fixtures and materials that minimize glare to prevent eye strain and discomfort. Fifthly, minimize shadowing. Shadows can obstruct visibility and create hazards. Sixthly, consider the spectral composition. Choose light sources that enhance visibility and contrast without causing eye strain. Now, let's review some relevant standards. The International Lighting Commission, or SI, provides recommendations for the lighting of workplaces in CIE 10.2022. The Illuminating Engineering Society of North America, or IESNA, offers guidance in IESNA RP 24.2016, which focuses on lighting for food processing and handling. The Food and Drug Administration, or FDA, addresses lighting in the FDA Food Code Annex 4.2. The National Institute for Occupational Safety and Health, or NIOSH, provides information in the NIOSH Manual of Analytical Methods NMAM 5035, which covers lighting in the workplace. It is important to remember that specific lighting levels may vary depending on the nature of the tasks performed and the equipment used. For a tailored assessment and recommendations, it is best to consult with a lighting professional. They can evaluate the specific needs of the food production area and recommend appropriate lighting solutions to ensure safety, efficiency, and compliance with relevant standards. Some factors that will impact the recommended lighting levels include the size of the task, the reflectance of the materials being viewed, and the age of the workers performing the tasks. Smaller tasks require higher illuminance. Darker surfaces will require more light than brighter surfaces. Older workers typically require more light than younger workers due to the natural decline in vision that comes with age. There are different types of light sources that can be used in food production areas, including fluorescent, LED, and HID lamps. Each type of lamp has its own advantages and disadvantages in terms of energy efficiency, color rendering, and lifespan. LED are becoming increasingly popular in food production areas because of their energy efficiency, long lifespan, and ability to provide high-quality light. When choosing lighting fixtures for food production areas, it is important to select fixtures that are easy to clean and sanitize. The fixtures should also be resistant to corrosion and other damage from the harsh environment of a food production area. The lighting system should be designed to provide adequate illumination for all tasks performed in the area, while also minimizing glare and shadows. The lighting system should also be energy efficient to minimize operating costs. Regular maintenance of the lighting system is essential to ensure that it continues to provide adequate illumination and to prevent safety hazards. Maintenance tasks include replacing lamps, cleaning fixtures, and checking the wiring and connections. By following these recommendations, food production facilities can create a safe and productive work environment for their employees. Proper lighting can help to improve employee morale, reduce errors, and increase efficiency. It is also important to consider the impact of lighting on food safety. Poor lighting can make it difficult to detect contaminants in food products. Good lighting can help to improve food safety and prevent foodborne illnesses. In addition to the standards mentioned previously, there may be other local or regional regulations that apply to lighting in food production areas. It is important to check with the local authorities to ensure that the lighting system complies with all applicable regulations. A lighting professional can help to navigate the complex world of lighting standards and regulations. They can also provide valuable advice and the best lighting solutions for a specific food production facility. Remember to prioritize worker safety when designing a lighting system for a food production facility. The lighting should be designed to minimize eye strain, fatigue, and other potential hazards. Employees should also be trained on how to properly use and maintain the lighting system.